Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use the new 2021 Playback sticker on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your story from the top left corner to create a new Instagram story. You can capture a photo, or you can choose any photo or video from your gallery. I am gonna choose a photo from 2021. Now tap the sticker icon at the top. Here you will see the new sticker, 2021. If you do not see it, you need to update your Instagram app. Simply tap on it. Tap on that sticker to see more sticker options. Select any of this. You can resize the sticker, and place it anywhere on the screen by dragging. And when you are all done, you can share your story. Your story has been updated. Check this out. So in this way, you can use the new 2021 Playback sticker on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.